Let's create several types of switches. First, create one variable to control the bit. Open variables and select all variables. Add the Boolean type of variable and rename it to switch 1. Open Content 1 content screen from Project Explorer. Select and place a switch from tool chest. Parts. Change the properties from Properties. From the touch function, select bit for the operation type. And Momentary on for operation. In this case, the bit is on while you press the switch. Once you release the switch, the bit turns off. For destination, bind the switch 1 variable. Change other properties such as the text, the fill, and the border color. Copy and paste the previous switch to create another one. This time, change the operation to toggle. For toggle switch, when you touch the switch, the specified bit turns on. Touch the same switch again, and the specified bit will be turned off. The switch switches to on or off each time it is touched. Change the text. Copy and paste the previous switch again to create another one. This time, change the operation to set. For set switch, when you touch the switch, the specified bit turns on. It will keep the bit on even if you touch the switch again. Change the text. Copy and paste the previous switch again to create another one. This time, change the operation to reset. For reset switch, when you touch the switch, the specified bit turns off. It will keep the bit off even if you touch the switch again. Change the text. Create the lamp. Select and place a lamp from tool chest, Parts. Change the properties from Properties. Change the current value from Function, Basic. And bind switch 1 variable. By configuring this setting, we can monitor the switch 1 variable with a lamp. Change the other properties. Let's simulate and check the operation. While you touch the momentary switch, lamp is on. Once you release it, it turns off. The switch switches to on or off each time it is touched. When you touch the switch, the specified bit turns on. Even if you touch the switch again, it will keep turned on. When you touch the switch, the specified bit turns off. Even if you touch the switch again, it will keep turned off.